Hey everyone, Scott here, and welcome to the Hilton Garden Inn at Heathrow Terminal 2 and 3. Actually, more specifically, this is my room at the Hilton Garden Inn. And yeah, it's okay. The best part about this room is the view, which I will show you in a moment. But otherwise, this is just a standard issue airport hotel room. Not bad. I will admit though, I was looking forward to staying here because the last time that I stayed here, I had a pretty baller suite. I guess it wasn't baller. It was just the view. It was a corner room, whereas this is just a standard room. And I thought I was going to get one of those corner rooms again, but I guess I didn't book well enough. But this works. It's fine. If you don't know, this hotel is connected it's not connected to the airport, but it is very close, especially to terminals 2 and 3. Very convenient. And, actually there's really not a whole lot to say. So let's just blow through this so I can get to the view. Here is the closet, my stuff. There's a little iron down there. Closet hanger stuff and ironing board. The bathroom. Pretty standard. Got the half door there. This is the European style shower. Not a fan of those. If you've watched my videos, you already know that. Toilet, sink, mirror, and yeah, good looking bathroom. No complaints. Got a nice big TV on the wall here. Nice, decently okay work desk. It's a little bit small. And this is this a refrigerator? Yes. Is it cold though? Tell you what though, it doesn't smell very good. That's not so good, but I don't know, I might make use of that because there are some decent shops downstairs connected, or actually in the airport, which is it's just a 5-minute walk. It's very close. But let's get to the view. And here we go. And right there is, we're looking straight over at Terminal 5 over there, where that Emirates A380 is pulling in. And this is a pretty nice view. I don't know what runway this is right here. I'll overlay it. I'll research and figure out what that is, but gonna have a pretty nice view of the airplanes taking off here. That room that I had before, that suite upstairs, that was actually, it was looking this way, but it was also looking this way, so I could see the entire runway. Don't have it this time, oh well. But this window, if I step back here a little bit, you can see that it is a wee bit small. Not that that's a bad thing. I'm just comparing it to the room that I had last time where I had windows all the way around, even on this side. And that's what I was expecting this time, but I didn't get it. But this works. This is gonna be really nice. I think the sun is gonna set over here, and it's a beautiful day, and I think it's just gonna be a beautiful sunset. If it is, I will overlay those video clips here so you can see. Anyway, if you like plane spotting, this is definitely the hotel to stay at. But more specifically, if you have a flight departing out of Terminal 2 or 3, or you just flew in from Terminal 2 or 3, and you need a convenient place to stay, this is good. This is very good. So, as always, if you have any questions or comments, do leave them down in the comment section below. I will get to them as soon as I can. And did I show you that TV? Yes, I did. But I'm going to show you again. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to watch airplanes, and I'll catch you later.